A great tourist attraction of Singapore, the Jurong Bird Park is superintended by the Wildlife Reserves of Singapore. Constructed on the westerly slope of the Jurong Hill, this fascinating park is spread across an area of around 202,000 square meters. This landscape park, located in the Boon planning area of Jurong district, is a must-visit on your Singapore tour. For people looking for a quick break from the chaotic urban life of Singapore, a visit to this park can rejuvenate the senses and make one ready to go back into the fast-paced life completely charged. Home to more than 7,000 birds falling under 600 species, this lovely park will surely stun the visitors with the wide variety of beautiful birds. Birds of different shapes, sizes and colors really amaze people of all age groups. It is advisable that before starting on your tour of this wonderful park, you should go for an orientation trip on the Panorail. It is an air-conditioned monorail system that gives the tourists an overview about the whole park along with the comprehensive running commentary. This bird park has been refurbished recently. The park offers a wide variety of exciting exhibits along with many new facilities that make the tour to this park very interesting for the tourists. The exhibits are breathtaking beyond doubt and make the park truly worth visiting.